Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to play. I'm going to Franken some eyeshadows. I don't know what I'm going to end up doing. I just thought it'd be fun to play, and I thought I'd film it and bring you guys along with me. I have several palettes that I decluttered from my collection, but some of them I had for sale previously on my Mercari and they didn't sell. So I just hung on to them because I knew after I got moved I really wanted to start frankening some eyeshadows. So that's what I'm going to do today. First one I have in my mind, and then from there we'll just see what we come up with. This is the Beauty Crop Pina Colada palette. Bought this from Beauty Bay. I do not like the formulation of this at all. Colors are pretty, but I don't like how they're made. So I was thinking I would like a nice dark blue. So I'm going to take Beach Bum right here. And normally I would mix it with Stormy and get a dark blue, but I don't like the formulation. So I'm going to mix it with a different palette. Now, of all the palettes that I have decided to keep to Franken with, none of them have a black. But this Tarte Dream Big has this one called Hustle, and it is a dark brown with some glitter in it, some sparkle. So I'm going to mix that with this and see what we get. So as I did last time, I will just fast forward it for you. All right, I think I might add more blue. Okay, I think that's where I want it, right there. All right, I'm not sure how much product I have. I have these little tiny pans, which I don't know if that's, or I have these bigger pans, which I think maybe I can fit this. Oh, let me grab, I'm about to make a mess. Grab a paper towel here. Put the paper towel down. This pan could hold a lot more, but this is all I want. I don't want a lot. There we go. We will let that dry and use it another day. Just grab some. And that's the color. I hope you can see. There we go. Now, okay, I think now I want to make a blush. I have pulled out my Kat Von D palette because I'm going to use I think this one, to help create a blush, and I'm going to use this palette. I think I want to mix this and this with some of this and make a pretty blush. We'll see what I come up with. So let's just start frankening. Well, I got too much alcohol in this one, but we're going to go with it anyway. Let's see. There we go. That's a pretty shade. I like that. So, those will have to dry before I can use them, but you can see that makes a pretty shade. I like that. I like that. I think that's all the frankening I'm going to do today. I will be doing some more in the future. I don't have any other ideas right now for a shadow. I knew I wanted a dark, like navy color. And then I wanted to try my hand at making a blush. So there we go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.